Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, we've got NEXI, guys, NEXI. Now, this had a crazy day on absolutely no news. We could not find any news on it at all. As we speak, this stock is up 243%. Okay, it's a very low float, underneath a million in the float. And I wanted to show you, I got my racing. I sort of got this racing back, this biggest gainers from the open. Look how many races this one won. NEXI won 8. The Saidu was another one I could have done my video on, okay? But the NEXI, I thought I would take a look at this one because it may be setting up again. And this is how many races it won over the course of the day. And I'm sharing this race, so if you want it, just have to ask me for it. And it may be setting up again. You saw how it had this huge pop all the way up to got up to $11, and then it instantly almost pulled back. So we'll have to see if this area can hold. I think the VWAP is at 746. Let's see if it gets close to the VWAP. I think that's the VWAP line right there. And let's see if it has another late day run. I mean, it could, anything is possible. But right now there's a little bit of uncertainty because when you look at the topping tail and then look at the bottoming tail for NEXI, so kind of right in the middle. So anyway, I wanted to show you that and the stock race. And if you do want that stock race, all you have to do is ask me for it. Okay, just respond to this video and I'll send that off to you. Okay, guys, want to get back into the trading room. Have a great evening and we'll see you tomorrow.